Excuse me, can you help me? Sure, how can I help you? I'm looking for a good cafe nearby. Do you know any? Oh, there are a few around here. Are you looking for something quiet or more lively? I think I'd like something quiet. I need to do some work. In that case, there's a small cafe just 2 streets down. It's called the Cozy Spot. It's very quiet, and they have free Wi-Fi too. That sounds perfect. How do I get there? Okay, so from here, walk straight until you see a traffic light. Then turn left. Walk about 5 minutes, and you'll see the cafe on your right. Walk straight, then turn left at the traffic light, and the cafe will be on my right. Got it? Yes, that's right. They also have great coffee and snacks. Oh, that's good to know. Do they have any outdoor seating? Yes, they do. There's a small patio outside with a few tables. It's nice if you want fresh air. Sounds lovely. Thank you so much. Do you go there often? I go there sometimes. But if you like livelier places, there's another cafe called The Buzz. It's more crowded but great for people watching. People watching? That sounds fun. Where is it? It's a bit further. You'd need to take a bus or taxi to get there. I think I'll try the Cozy Spot first. It's closer, and I really need to get some work done. Good choice. By the way, what kind of work do you do? I'm a graphic designer. I'm working on a project for a client right now. Oh, that sounds interesting. Do you work from home or an office? Mostly from home, but sometimes I need a change of scenery, so I go to cafes. That makes sense. I work from home too, and it can get boring after a while. What do you do? I'm a freelance writer. I write articles for websites and magazines. That's cool. So, do you also work at cafes? Yes, sometimes. But I prefer working at home because I get easily distracted in cafes. I understand. Sometimes it's hard to focus if the place is noisy. Exactly. But the Cozy Spot is usually very quiet, so you'll be fine. Great! I'll head there now. Thanks again for your help. No problem. Enjoy your coffee and good luck with your work. Thank you! Have a nice day. You too. Bye.